Are you wondering how to power up your productivity, boost your energy with more personal energy? Well, in this video, we're going to cover the simple and easy personal energy skills. Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff from Moving Your Energy Differently, where we help you build great energy relationships with what you do best and give it to the people who care. It is suggested that the more personal energy that you have, the more likely you will succeed. This is because people with high energy level of personal energy can recover quickly from minor setbacks and maintain their motivation through long periods of challenges. This individual is typically confident, resourceful, and cooperative. They also have a variety of skills that they are willing to go the extra mile. The more personal energy that you have, the more success you will get. This is because people with high personal energy levels can quickly recover from minor setbacks or minor challenges. They can also accomplish more in less time and work for a more extended period without succumbing to fatigue. So here are a few moving your energy differently tools. As you are well aware, focus. Focus is one of the keys. You get people to focus on their attention. The importance of focusing your attention on what you are doing to be more productive. Many people find it hard to focus their attention on one task at a time. Now, if this sounds like you, try using something like a timer or an app that has some alarm for when you need to take breaks from work. This will help you focus and ensure that you don't get distracted by other things in the office or on the phone at home. Self-regulated people perform better. Everybody knows that the best way to be productive is to have a lot of energy. A major contributor to productivity is how much energy you have. And one of the most effective ways to increase your energy level is to get more sleep. But how can you increase your energy level with more sleep? What? There are many ways, but one of the best is through personal energy boosters. Why you should never sleep less than 6 hours a night, and why you need more than 8 hours. Number 3, don't forget nutrients for personal energy. Nutrients can be found in green leafy vegetables and berries. Leafy greens and berries are two of the best nutrients. The next time that you are out at the grocery store and you try picking up a box of spinach or some blueberries, do it. These help keep you full of energy. They can provide you with the nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. So remember, until we meet again, keep moving your energy differently. I'm Kerry Ruff.